Hey everyone, tonight we're gonna make one of my famous potato and carrot side dishes. Before we get started, you'll need a few things. Minced garlic, carrots, celery, onions, sweet potatoes, round colored potatoes, olive oil, garlic salt, thyme, oregano, mustard powder, Italian seasoning, and sage. Okay, let's get started. First, you're gonna wanna dice all your vegetables. They're pretty much gonna all look like this. Once that's done, you're gonna wanna put them on your baking sheet. Then you're gonna grab some minced garlic. You're gonna throw the minced garlic on there. You're also gonna throw in some olive oil and all of the condiments that I listed out, and you're gonna massage that into your veggies. Once your oven is preheated, you're gonna pop this in the oven for about 30 to 45 minutes, and that's it. Our potatoes cooked at 400 degrees for 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes, we cranked up the heat to 450 degrees. Then we cooked for another 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes went by, we went ahead and we turned on our broiler and we moved our pan to the top rack so that we could broil our potatoes. Check it out, this is what they look like. And just like that, you've got a simple side dish. Hope you enjoyed this video and recipe.